money is not money. It is Moon-ni. Moon as in the moon, which is the god of the primordial waters that governs or is the outward expression or projection of your womb. The importance of feminine energy being currency is that feminine energy is the entire state of the universe. The feminine energy is what governs everything in existence, because the true you dwells in darkness. This is your spirit. So once the spirit is activated, this is the whole conversation behind Christ consciousness, because Christ consciousness is your divine feminine state. I break this down in my YouTube channel if you need more elaboration. But the idea is that there is not truly a divide. The divide is used in order to distract you from what is truly happening on the inside. So that Y chromosome that they are fighting to protect is essentially being reabsorbed into the X. Now, how is this symbolic to currency? Because money being energy, once the feminine energy cannot be dominated. So once government and politics came into play, that essentially suppressed this energy. Now, when you suppress something, you condense it and you slow down its frequency. This is the low vibrational state being referred to, which is what I call the narcissistic energy. Narcissism is a vacuum, so it sucks the life force from you. So when we speak of feminine energy, we aren't just talking about money or currency. We are also talking about the breath of life, because the Phi in feminine is symbolic to the iron, which is the oxygen that breathes life into your cells. Now, being that this narcissistic patriarchal energy is robbing your bank or your womb space of this frequency, that has changed the trajectory of this whole third dimensional reality. So what that means is the feminine energy itself in its highest state, you can think of as potential energy or just heat. All right. So if feminine energy is symbolic to the water, which is in the womb space, which is governed by the moon, then water in its highest state is vapor. Vapor etymologically means spirit. So once they condense or compress this spirit, they densified it and it became physical matter, which is what birthed the masculine.